This video is to show you how to run the language usage report, or the LUS, that we run on Fridays. So you go to your main Skyward teacher screen, go to data mining. In your data mining, I have my reports. You're going to search for a report called LUS New. And so you just put that in this bottom, LUS New, and that's language report O and N. And it comes up with this report. I star it because that's one of my favorites I use all the time. And then what we're going to do is each week we're going to edit this report. So we edit the report. And then what you do is you want to go to the ranges, which is right up here. We're going to look at the ranges. This report's been pre-built, but in the ranges we want to edit the ranges. And so what we do is we change the date of enrollment for Friday. So when you hit that OK screen, you're going to get a few little error messages that say fields are too long. Just click OK. So we're going to come down to this date of the form because we're trying to capture when the form was filled out for enrollment. And so this was, before I ran it a while ago, it was 4/15/2021, and that was last Thursday. But we want to capture any new students that came in from, and we actually ran it last Thursday the 22nd. So today is April 30th. So what we want to do is run it from any students who came last Thursday. So I ran it at the end of the day Thursday, so we're going to put Friday's date the 23rd. So any student that enrolled with Hobbs Schools from April 23rd to now. So we just leave this date open to the 999. So that's going to capture anybody within that week. We're going to save those ranges, and that fixes our report. So then we're going to come up to this Excel little tab, and we're going to do Excel, and it's actually going to run our report for us. Just give it a minute to process. We're going to view this report, and it comes in just a generic form. And it shows up kind of like this. It's got all this data on it. We're going to enable editing of it. The first thing I do is I come and I add a column on the side so that it gives us information. Then I kind of scan the report too to just kind of see what's being captured. Sometimes you have the same student captured, and we'll clean that up as we go. So the next thing I do is I just try to go in, and if we know it's different schools, then we just capture it. We just make a space for those schools. And if you notice on this report, you're going to see that we have a 703, but we also have the school, which is the freshman. So this is our default because we have kids that are doing that online learning. So this is the report that you start to work off of. So when you save this, you're going to File, Save As. I first just save it on my desktop. I want to do it as an Excel workbook. And we're going to do LUS, and then we do 4_30/2021. And that just gives us our report. Then we work on that and we have it ready to send to teachers on Fridays.